Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. My package from China just arrived and I'm so excited to show you guys everything that is inside. Now, if you've always wanted to start importing and make serious profits from importing, keep watching this video because I am going to show you how I did it, my step-by-step process. I will show you everything. Okay, now the first item I got is the blood pressure checker. If you have aging parents at home, I suggest you get this item because it's a game changer. Since I got this item and I've been around, because I'm not always around at home, I've been checking my parents' blood pressure. Yeah, and it feels good. Honestly, I know when their pressure is rising, I know when to tell them to calm down, and this product set me back by I'll display the amount. Yeah, and the next item I got, I'm not really gonna share this item. I'm not really going to tell you guys what it is. This item does not even weigh up to 40 grams, but this item sets me back by a whooping 60,000 naira plus. This item, you can't find it locally. Sorry, you can't find it locally. Okay, so I'm not gonna share it, but let's keep watching. Yeah, the next item I got though is the Ryuzu. I think it's the Ryuzu Aesthetic Edition MP3 Bluetooth player. Gosh, this device totally eliminates the need for carrying your phone because I work out a lot, and whenever I'm working out, I'm always looking out for my phone and stuff. But this item is so small and so portable. It can connect with your Bluetooth earpod. It comes with an earpiece. You can just clip it on your clothes and go for your runs. Like, that extra weight of carrying a phone or being distracted by your phone is automatically eliminated. This item is a game changer, honestly, and the price is up there. So the next item I got is this blood glucose and uric acid monitor. Yeah, that's what it's called. I'm not going to put the price up there because I'm not really sure anymore, but I know compared to the price in Nigeria is way cheaper. Now, the next item I got, this item makes me really excited. It's the MacBook Air. The way I'm saying it, guys, you guys should tell me congratulations, because this is my first Apple product. I'm not even going to lie, this is my first Apple product and I love it. It's a second hand, so it's not brand new, but it works very well. It works fine, it works perfect. It came with 2 operating systems. It has the Windows and it has the Macintosh OS. Yeah, I love this. It came with a mouse pad, a Bluetooth mouse, a laptop bag. It came with the charger. Yeah, if you ask me, this is a very good buy because I got this for 109 or 107,000. I'm not so sure anymore. So guys, please tell me in the comment section, do you guys think this is a good buy, or did I buy well, or I did not buy well, or I could have bought cheaper in Nigeria? So let me know. This next item is for my hair care. Yes, this next item is for my hair care. I'm starting my hair care journey. Don't worry, I'll be dropping updates soon. A new video loading. You guys should trust me, right? So I got this hair care set for 5k plus 5.2. I'm not so sure anymore. But my friend posted on her status yesterday. She sells all these girls' aesthetic stuff. So she posted on her status and she posted this set for 12k. Guys, this is something I got for 5,000 something from China. Alright, yeah, let's go into the next one. This next item though is a lash glue. And this next item is a solar light. It comes with a mini solar panel, a remote, and it uses solar to charge. Guys, this light, I got it for my room because where I stay there's usually not light, so this light automatically goes on when it's dark. You have the remote. If you don't want it when it goes on, you can turn it off, but this light is a game changer. I'm a content creator, so I think this will come in handy too. You get. apart from my ring light and stuff, it will come in handy. The next item I got are these 5 pieces of handkerchief. Super absorbent, super, emphasis on super, it's super absorbent. Yeah, very wonderful handkerchief, and I got it for like 1.5 for those 5 pieces, and it's super thick. No, I didn't get it, I got it for like 2. Yeah, it's super thick. Yeah, very, very nice. And then the next item I got are these packaging bags. I got them for my business, guys. I've started a business, so I've started a business. Updates coming soon. I got 300 pieces of that for like 3,000 something. Yeah. The next item I got is going to be for my skincare journey. I got 3 pieces of this bottle. It has a comb mouth that you can use to apply oil to your scalp, and I got it for like 1.5 for 3 pieces. This next item, I told my kids, because there were kids around me, I told them that this item is heavy. I paid for 80 pieces of sheet masks for like 5,000 something, but guys, when this package arrived, it was 91 pieces. How am I so lucky? How am I so how am I so lucky? Honestly, I got whitening sheet masks, I got brightening sheet masks, I got many moisturizing sheet masks, I got sheet masks for blemishes, sheet masks for acne. Like, the package is just awesome, and I have some of this for sale, because me, I cannot do that much skincare, so I have some for sale. The next item I got was the magnetic phone holder. As a content creator, I think you need this. If you're creating content with your phone and you struggle to get angles, your stand cannot get certain angles, I suggest you get this. Guys, I use this to clip to my fan. Like, this thing magneted to my fan and gave me that overhead view. If there is an iron nearby, you don't even need a ring light stand, or you don't need any of that. Just, it magnets to metals and makes content creating very easy. Now, this next thing is not actually for me. I got it for my brother. My brother checked the price in Nigeria, and it was like about 30k plus for this Lenovo Think Plus AirPods. But then when I checked the price for him from China, it was about 10k, 9k, not so sure anymore. Not so sure, but I'm going to put all the prices up there, okay? And then the next thing he got was this home theater set. It's a mini home theater set. It can connect to your TV and stuff, and he got it for like 34.5. Yes, so as you can see, importing saves you a lot of money and can be a great way to make profits. If you want to learn how to start your own importation business, I have got you covered. Now, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to import and how to make profits. Okay, so just click on the link in my bio that will take you to my WhatsApp, and let's get you started. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really, really appreciate you. Bye.